In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Notion. This can be incredibly useful for organizing your tasks and keeping track of all your important events across these two platforms. Whether you're managing personal projects or a busy work schedule, integrating Google Calendar with Notion is a powerful way to streamline your productivity. First, let's get started by accessing your Notion account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the settings. This is typically found in the sidebar on the left side of the screen. You can think of the settings as your central control hub for making adjustments or connecting other services to Notion. So go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll want to select Connections. You'll find this within the Settings menu. Connections are essentially the bridge between Notion and other applications you might be using, like Google Calendar in this case. By clicking on Connections, you're exploring the possibilities of bringing these two worlds together into one seamless experience. After that, click on Explore. This section is where Notion lists all the potential services and applications you can connect with. It offers a variety of options, and it's designed to make the linking process as intuitive as possible. When you click Explore, it's like opening up a toolbox of apps that you can integrate right into your Notion workspace. Once you're in the Explore section, you'll need to find Google Calendar. It might be near the top since it's a popular integration, but if it's not immediately visible, just look through the list until you locate it. Clicking on Google Calendar will initiate the process of linking it with Notion. Now, here's an important note. If you are using the free version of Notion, you will be prompted to upgrade in order to make this connection. Only the paid tiers of Notion support integration with Google Calendar directly. This means if you're on a free plan, you'll have to decide if the upgrade is worth the added functionality for you. Consider how much value having your calendar linked inside Notion will bring to your workflow before moving forward. And that wraps up our guide on connecting Google Calendar to Notion. Once you've completed these steps and potentially the upgrade, you'll have your calendar integrated directly into Notion, allowing you to manage schedules, deadlines, and meetings all from one place. It's a practical way to help you stay organized and optimize your time. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing!